I'm Leo. I'm a senior here at Academy, and my favorite part about my school is the passion and the attentiveness that the educators have. They come in with a smile every day and ready to teach and to be a part of a community that I'm proud to call my own.
Hi, my name is John. I'm an 8th grader. I go to a Clayton Partnership School. Some of the best parts about the school are how close the classes are. Everybody gets to know each other.
My name is Aaliyah and I go to Mapleton Early Career Prep. I'm a junior here, and what I like most about MEC is this tight community in general, and everyone here is like a family.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Sidibaka. I go to Mesa and I'm an 11th grader. And the thing I like most about the school is the fact that you get to choose what elective you get to go to. Like, I do ceramics and you get to use your ideas on clay, and it's all freehand, there's no rules.
Hi, I'm Neve. I go to North Valley School for Young Adults. My favorite part about this school is the teachers.
Hi, my name is Mariana and I'm in Valley View Innovation School. What we like to do in the building, we go to the gym and there's an obstacle course, and in our classroom we like to play bingo, and we use gummy bears to like put the little things on, and then we get to eat them.